right, guys, we're going to LINKTREELINK Cafe to get a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. We were told it's the best in town. The Reuben sandwich is best at Jumbo Delicious. So we'll go over to LINKTREELINK, try it out. I hear they even fly their bread in from Philadelphia. Pretty impressive. So let's go take a look at it and see what it looks like. So I was just informed that our order was $30. We got a sandwich and a salad. That was it. $30. Wow. This better be the best cheesesteak I've had from here to Philadelphia. Okay, guys. So I looked at this half of the sandwich. I'm like, well, that's not a really big Philly cheesesteak. Then I realized the other half's right here. That thing is loaded. That looks amazing. I'll tell you how it is in a minute. And then what is this, the Cobb salad? Grilled chicken. That's a beautiful, oh my gosh, that's a really nice looking. What is that over here?
That's bacon.
Bacon? Bacon. I expect to see some bell peppers and onions or something in there. Maybe it's in the cheese. Here we go. Okay, guys, so that wasn't the best Philly cheesesteak I've ever had. I was told it's the best in this area. Well, that's kind of sad. I expected some onions, some bell pepper, more cheese. It was a little weak. I wouldn't recommend it. The guy who told me about it, I'll get back to him. And I mean, the bread might have been imported, but the sandwich itself was very bland. Anyway, that's it. Sorry about that. Sorry, LINKTREELINK. I would beef up your, not literally, no pun intended, but I would beef up your Philly cheesesteak to be a true Philly cheesesteak.